These are classic project cars that range in price from $500 to $2,000. Some still run, some don't, but all still have their original engines and project potential. One, 1972 Mercury Montego sedan. Up first is a 1972 Mercury Montego sedan listed at $1,500 out of Georgia. This one is very complete, which already puts it ahead of a lot of cheap projects. The downside is rust, especially on the roof, and the 302 V8 is currently seized. That said, the black interior is reportedly in very decent shape, and that's not always easy to find on cars like this. Since the Montego shares a lot of parts with the Torino, sourcing replacements isn't as scary as it might sound. Definitely not a quick flip, but a solid base if you're okay with engine work. Two, 1963 Ford Falcon Futura. Next is a 1963 Ford Falcon Futura for just $1,000, and this one actually runs and yard drives. It's not perfect, but the seller has already replaced a long list of important parts: ignition components, brake system parts, rebuilt carb, fuel line, and more. It still needs rear tires, a battery, and a fuel tank, and yes, it has rust, but the floors aren't rotted out, which is a big deal at this price point. This feels like a true entry-level classic, rough around the edges, but close enough to being a driver with some effort. Three, 1961 AMC Rambler American. Here's something you don't see every day: a 1961 AMC Rambler American project listed at $1,500. The car itself is described as solid, and the interior seats and trim are in great condition, which is rare for something this old. Right now, it's a roller. The engine isn't installed, but the original AMC motor is included with the car, along with a clean title. This is one of those projects that's more about commitment than difficulty. If you like oddball classics and want something different from the usual muscle car crowd, this could be a fun build. Four, 1979 Lincoln Continental. This 1979 Lincoln Continental is a big, heavy luxury project listed at $2,000. It has a 400 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, and all the power options you'd expect. According to the seller, it did run and drive before the starter solenoid failed. Mechanically, it sounds promising. Engine ran smooth, transmission shifted fine, brakes and steering worked. The interior is currently pulled apart due to a half-finished sound system install, but all the parts are still there. Minimal rust underneath is a big plus. Not a small project, but definitely an interesting one if you're into full-size cruisers. Five, 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. And then there's the shocker, a 1979 Camaro Z28 parts car for just $500. No title, sold with a bill of sale only, and it's strictly what you see is what you get. That said, it still has some valuable pieces: a solid front clip minus the hood, usable doors with all the glass and mechanisms, a solid 8.5 rear end, good trunk lid, and good rear glass. This isn't a project you're driving anytime soon, but at $500, it's pure parts value for anyone building or restoring a third-gen Camaro.
Six, a 1955 Ford F600. Next up is a 1955 Ford F600 listed at $1,650. This is more of a heavy-duty classic than a typical project car. The big headline here is that the engine does turn over, and it comes with a clean title, which already puts it ahead of a lot of old work trucks. There isn't much detail beyond that, but trucks like this are usually bought for one of two reasons: a wild resto mod build or as a vintage hauler that just looks cool sitting still. Either way, it's not small, not cheap to restore, but definitely unique. Seven, 1965 Ford Thunderbird parts car. Here's a 1965 Thunderbird listed at $1,200, clearly advertised as a parts car only. There's no title, and it's missing the back glass, rear seat, and some trim. That said, it still has the engine and transmission, plus a lot of extra trim and parts inside the car. The body is described as fairly solid with only light rust here and there. If you already own a mid-60s Thunderbird and neat parts, this could be a lifesaver. As a standalone project though, this one's all about what you can pull from it. Eight, 1972 White 200 diesel truck. This one's a bit of a curveball. A 1972 White 200 diesel truck listed at $2,000. It reportedly ran well but hasn't been started in about a year and will need batteries. It's a 10-speed truck, possibly with a Cummins Super 220, though the seller isn't 100% sure. There are known electrical issues, future tire needs, and some rewiring required for the headlights. This isn't a casual project. It's big, industrial, and definitely niche, but for the right buyer, it's a lot of truck for the money. Nine, 1973 Oldsmobile Delta 88 parts car. Next is a 1973 Oldsmobile Delta 88 listed at $800. This one is strictly a parts car with no title, and the seller is very clear about that. It does still have the engine and transmission, and yes, it has rust. This is the kind of car that makes sense if you already have another early 70s Olds and need big body parts before this one gets crushed. Not a restoration candidate, but still useful while it lasts. Ten, 1936 Chevrolet Master Deluxe. And closing out this list is a 1936 Chevrolet Master Deluxe two-door restoration project priced at $2,000. This is a true barn find style car. It still has the original engine, though it does not run, and there's no interior. The good news is the dash, gauges, hood, and doors are included and appear to be in good condition. Cars like these are never cheap or easy to finish, but they have serious upside if you're patient and skilled. Definitely the kind of project that's more about passion than practicality. So which one would you take on first? Whether it's a quick revive or a long-term build, deals like these are still out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.